Two entrees and a side, $12. This panda is actually cheaper than most of the rest of them. The rest of them are $13. I'm just looking. Whoa. When it looks like that, buy it. If you catch the orange chicken looking like that, you better buy it. It's a buy. This is Dirt Dog, and look at the seating you have here. Down the road at Horseshoe, the Grand Bazaar shops, it's packed. Same food, same people. Crazy hot dogs. Ooh, you can get a $15 hot dog, $16 hot dog. Corn dogs even $6. It ain't cheap, but it's really, really good. House dog. It's got everything on it for $10. And this is the only potato shop, I think, in the area. $21 for a potato. $54 for a lobster tail inside your potato. Original groupie, $10.95. Look, a smashed cheeseburger looks pretty good, $12.95. And then this is Popeyes. And they were cheaper than the ones around them, but I think they went up on their price. Yeah, $8.99 for the chicken sandwich. That's a heck of a deal to be where they are, though. I gotta admit. Why I think this is a great food court is because there's always seats available and they're clean. Even though these people are leaving behind their beers, that's just how they are. No, I'm wrong. They're just going to leave around off their napkins. That's not too bad. I've seen worse. So you got Subway. A 6-inch sub is $11.89. Remember when the 6-inch was the 12-inch was $5. So it's 4 times the price now. Crazy. Sombrero. You can always trust Sombrero. They're pretty consistent. Really good view out that window if it wasn't reflective. In the daytime, it actually has a better view. Ooh, let's look at that dirt dog on the video. Ooh, boy. You're gonna die. Why not die in Vegas?